Today, I am reviewing the Bosch Universal Plus stand mixer 500 watt. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Bosch Universal Plus stand mixer is a powerhouse kitchen appliance designed for serious bakers and home chefs who demand versatility, durability, and performance in one convenient machine. With a 500-watt motor and a 6.5 quart lightweight, BPA-free bowl, this mixer makes large batch baking and heavy-duty mixing easier than ever. One of the standout features of the Bosch Universal Plus is its bottom drive design, which allows for continuous mixing and makes it simple to add ingredients while the mixer is running. The bowl is equipped with an easy grip handle and a removable drive shaft, making cleaning a breeze. Plus, the bowl is dishwasher-safe, so cleanup is fast and effortless after a long baking session. The mixer comes with dual beaters that provide a triple whipping action, meaning it can handle a wide variety of tasks, from whipping as little as a single egg white to mashing up to 10 pounds of cooked potatoes or shredding cooked chicken. Whether you're making delicate meringues, hearty bread dough, or creamy mashed potatoes, this mixer delivers consistent results every time. Speaking of bread, the powerful belt-driven transmission ensures enough torque to handle almost any recipe, including kneading up to 14 loaves of whole grain bread dough or mixing up to 34 dozen cookies in a single batch. This makes it ideal for serious bakers who need to work with large quantities or dense ingredients. The Bosch Universal Plus comes complete with essential attachments, including wire whips with plastic whip drive, a dough hook, bowl, lid, splash ring, and a NutriMill Dough Hook Extender, which expands its capabilities and makes it easier to handle even larger dough batches. The mixer also supports a wide variety of optional attachments sold separately that can turn it into a multi-functional kitchen machine. You can add a slicer shredder, cookie and cake paddles, meat grinder, citrus juicer, pasta maker, and more, making it one of the most versatile mixers available. Its robust design and durable construction ensure that it will last for years, even with frequent use. Despite its power, the mixer is surprisingly quiet compared to other heavy-duty machines, making it a pleasure to use in any kitchen. The combination of large capacity, powerful motor, and multiple attachments makes it perfect not just for home bakers, but for anyone who loves to cook and bake for family, friends, or small gatherings. In summary, the Bosch Universal Plus stand mixer with NutriMill Dough Hook Extender is an exceptional, all-in-one kitchen appliance that delivers performance, durability, and versatility. With its triple-action beaters, powerful motor, massive dough capacity, and wide range of attachments, it handles virtually any baking or cooking task with ease. If you're looking for a reliable, high-capacity mixer that can grow with your culinary ambitions, the Bosch Universal Plus is a standout choice. Whether you're whipping, kneading, shredding, or experimenting with pasta and other attachments, this mixer makes every task easier, faster, and more efficient. It's an investment in quality, convenience, and professional-level results for any kitchen.